Mae William yn astudio 5 safon uwch yng Coleg Yale, Wrexham. William's 5 A-level subjects are physics, chemistry, economics, maths and history. He's securing a place to study law at Downing College in Cambridge next year.
Will is a remarkable student and an outstanding role model.
Yeah, everyone knows Will and everyone likes Will.
He is extremely gifted academically and has amazing intellectual curiosity in everything he does and a work ethic second to none.
Learning for me is quite fun and quite enjoyable, and I just find it a really interesting experience.
I take physics and economics with Will, and I think it's safe to say he excels in both. He does exams early.
He's pretty much good at everything.
Yeah, everything really.
I find the social sciences quite interesting, particularly because they are all around us of economics, and then with history and seeing how what happened in the past can really influence what's going on in the future.
Will is truly inspirational, and this is demonstrated in the importance he puts on displaying effective learning behaviours. But he also demonstrates it in his inspirational leadership in the college.
I'm a student member on the governing body, particularly important now given the transformations that are going on throughout Wales, putting in a student's voice in that process.
Will's extremely hardworking, and he's hardworking to everything he does, whether it be his college work or whether it's his leisure time. He puts 110% into everything he does.
I'm chair of the student management group and active member of our local cycle club. So I play the piano, I quite enjoy that. I was a member of the choir. It's really about making an efficient use of time and ensuring that no minute is wasted.
Will's future is really very bright. He'll certainly succeed at whatever he does.